So this part will be to program the Arduino IDE, and we need to upload the Arduino sketch provided by Dabble. Take note that for a custom build, you need to fill in sketch inside the one provided by Dabble, like this. You need to declare pins for your motor driver and set it up, and then fill up the controls, fill up the control buttons according to your setup. We need to know what COM port the Nano will take, so let's select the board for Arduino Nano, then check which ports are currently on: 14, 15, 3 and 5. So the one that will appear will be for the Nano. Now let's check the port. So now we have COM4 for the Nano. We'll select that. And then we need to verify, compile, if everything works okay. Once it's done, we can now upload this sketch to the Nano. Once that's done, we can now proceed to running this using the Dabble app. So now we have hooked everything up and installed the Dabble app. So we choose gamepad. So now we need to turn on the Arduino and supply power to the motors. I'm giving 7 volts as input power. First, we need to bring down the voltage from 5 volts to 3.3 volts. The TX pin from the Nano going to the Rx pin on the Bluetooth module. So we need to use a 1 kilo ohm and a 2 kilo ohm resistor to bring down that voltage. And then the TX pin from the Bluetooth module goes straight to the Rx pin on the Arduino Nano. There's no need to bring down the voltage because the one transmitting will be the Bluetooth module. Next, we have the motor driver. This is the TB6612 FNG clone. So we're using the 7 volts to drive these motors. It needs 5 volts on the VCC pin. So 5 volts from the Nano goes to the VCC pin on the motor driver. To power up the Nano, just grab the 7 volts and hook it up to the V-in pin on the Nano. So 7 volts also goes into the VM pin on this motor driver, which is the TB6612 FNG clone. And I'm using a small buck converter to power this Bluetooth module with 5 volts. Now we can connect. Search for the Bluetooth module. So this is the Bluetooth module that we have renamed earlier. You just select that. If it requires you to enter a password, when you connect the first time, it will ask you for a password, and we'll just enter the password we set earlier, which is 4 zeros. And now that we're connected, we can now control the motors, going forward and backward, making a left, making a right. So for the other buttons, if we need to add more components to our setup, we just need to modify our sketch and add more controls for these buttons here, and then re-upload the sketch to the Arduino Nano.